Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your DB context is available and your stored procedure exists. Once done, confirm the exact parameter names and types. Next, decide which call pattern fits. From SQL raw for result sets, execute SQL raw for non-query, or map to stored procedures when using model mappings. Make sure to import Microsoft Entity Framework Core and include using statements. Then open your repository or service method and prepare the parameter objects or DB parameter instances to match the stored procedure signature. Now construct DB parameter instances for each input, output, and return value. Set DB type, size, and direction accordingly. If returning entities use context, set tEntity from SQL raw, exec proc name at P0 at P1, params and materialize with to list async. If non-query, call context. Database, execute SQL raw async. For mixed results, project into DTOs with context. Database, SQL query or a do. NET reader inside a raw connection. Also wrap calls and transactions when atomicity is required and dispose parameters after use. Finish by validating outputs. Check output parameter values and ensure nulls and sizes match database expectations. Once finished, save changes only when appropriate and close or dispose any manual connections. If things go wrong, log the exact SQL and parameters, enable sensitive data logging briefly to inspect values, and run the procedure directly in the database to compare. Make sure migrations or model differences aren't causing mismatches. Fixing parameter order or DB type typically resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.